What is proportionate collateral damage in war? Imagine a battlefield where the stakes are incredibly high. Decisions made in the heat of conflict can have lasting impacts on innocent lives. One key concept in this context is proportionate collateral damage. This term refers to the unintended harm to civilians and civilian property during military operations. But how do we determine what is acceptable? Under international humanitarian law, including the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict, the principle of proportionality plays a vital role. It states that any incidental civilian harm must not be excessive compared to the military advantage expected from an attack. In simpler terms, some civilian harm may be tolerated, but only if it is not disproportionate to the military goal. When military leaders plan an operation, they must assess the potential collateral damage. This involves identifying valid military targets and estimating the foreseeable civilian harm. The goal is to ensure that the expected civilian damage does not outweigh the military benefits. If the anticipated harm is deemed excessive, the attack is considered unlawful and could be classified as a war crime. To assist in these assessments, military forces often employ methods like the Collateral Damage Estimation Methodology. This approach helps commanders analyze weapon effects and predict civilian impact. By doing so, they can make informed decisions that aim to minimize civilian suffering. The principle of proportionality is crucial for protecting civilians during armed conflict. It requires that even lawful attacks be carried out with care to avoid unnecessary destruction. This principle is recognized in both treaty law and customary international law, reinforcing the importance of civilian protection. In summary, proportionate collateral damage means that incidental civilian harm during military operations is legally permissible only when it is not excessive compared to the expected military advantage. This ensures that the safety and well-being of civilians remains a top priority in times of war.